Okay, so we are good. So here you will see release and inspection not assigned. So itself system is telling you that there is a MIS, master inspection characteristic created and inspection dot will be assigned. Okay. Again, the quality person will copy this order. Otherwise, maintenance. It's not a mandatory. Some maintenance person can also perform this activity. I will just check everything. Okay. 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 So I will just copy. So what they will do? They will just see the equipment. Okay. And they will go to their T code QV53 slash N 53. Again, it's not mandatory only quality person, but our team also can check the calibration activities. So this calibration of impeller, calibration of casing, and calibration of staff. So authorized person can only access to QA53. Right. So this is for inspection lot to see. In real time, only quality person will execute this report. So let's see. Okay. So we get. So what we need to do here, quality person will just activate this and result recording will perform. So you will see result recording work list of equipment. Just need to click here, double click on shaft. They will update the result. Okay. Okay. So mean value, upper limit, target, lower limit, mean value. Okay. One. Okay. Everything is good. Okay. I will just. Okay. Processing complete, valuation. Okay. Everything is okay. They will just add their updation. And if anything they want, they can reject also. Okay. If anything is missing or its upper limit is 3 or 4, like this. Okay. So just I will update this. I will just go back. Okay. So defect is no. Okay. I will just go back. Yes. Okay. So in valuation, here you want to usable or usable with standard follow cannot be used. You can reject this. Means calibration person can reject this. If runout is more, then they can reject this. So once they reject, then the maintenance person or the responsible person need to connect what is the wrong. So if possible, they can send this equipment or this part to the external vendor, or external vendor will come for repair. Oh. So valuation I have done usable. Okay. So this is done. Okay. For calibration of casing, just double click. Okay, mean value I will say 7. Okay. 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 Yes. I want to do the valuation proposal. So it's usable. No issue. Okay, mean value. Okay. Yes. Valuation. Yeah, it's usable. So quality person has performed their activity. All inspection and result recording. So final authority. Okay. So it will be reject or whatever they will do their activity. Once they have done their activity, okay, let's Just go to IW32. So our work order. They have done their activity. So maintenance person, whatever assisted them to perform the activity or calibration, we can also update our people. So how many people we have supported the quality person to perform this activity, because they are not able to remove the impeller, or they're not casing like this, some activities, turning off, lockout, tag out, all that activity. So we need to assist them. So we just need to add our man hours slash IW 41. So system is giving the error because this will be in holiday, factory calendar holiday. Okay, so it's marking with holiday.
It's also not feature date.
Yeah, future date is not taken. Okay, according to factory calendar, posting day is not working there. Okay, past day it's also not taking.
I think we have posting date has to be yesterday.
Yes, I was trying, but system is not taking this also. Let's see. Okay, posting, let's see. Is earlier than release date. Because we have released the order. Okay, no issue. No issue. I will do one thing. Slash n IW32. It's not mandatory. I will close the order. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And settlement rule. So what is the category? So here you need to give one settlement rule, like a cost center. Who is responsible to perform this activity? Just to go back. Reference date, completion, reference time. See. Usage decision is still to be made. Okay. Let's go to our order. Okay. Settlement rule clear spec, inspection not assigned, technically completed. Okay. And everything has been done in our order. Okay. So this total calibration cycle we have run. Okay. There will be some finance activity like KGI2 K88 slash and KGI2.
This period times.
Period times means this cost will be go to the fifth month, May, and 2020. There is a monthly cycle is running. So this posting period will be open monthly, and the cost will be captured to that period. From your FI side, this configuration will be done. Slash and KO88. So they have also their background job. They will not do perform this activity manually. They have background job. So all the orders will be settled on that month in the background. Okay. Already settled. So in IW 33. So this is the end-to-end scenario. So first equipment, then master inspection characteristics, then task list, add the master inspection characteristics, create maintenance plan. Maintenance plan will create the work order, and you will see inspection log, and you can perform the usage decision and result recording.
Okay.
Do you have any doubt?
No.